Today we're going to explore something happening right beneath our feet, tectonic plates. We'll talk about what they are, how they move, why we have earthquakes and volcanoes, and the different ways plates interact. Let's get started. Think of the Earth's outer shell like a jigsaw puzzle. It's not one solid piece, but broken into big chunks called tectonic plates. These plates make up the lithosphere, which includes the Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle. These plates float in a softer layer called a stenosphere. And guess what? They are slowly moving all the time. Now, there are two main types of plate. The first one is continental plates. It forms the land or continents. They are thicker and made mostly of granite, which is lighter and less dense. While the second one is an oceanic plate. They are under the oceans. They are thinner but heavier and made mostly of basaltic rocks, which are denser rock material. Because they are made of different materials, they behave differently when they collide with each other. That's important when we talk about plate boundaries. The plates move because of convection currents in the mantle. Inside the Earth, it's super hot. Heat causes molten rocks to rise. Then it cools and sinks. This cycle pushes and pulls the plate in different directions, kind of like a conveyor belt. Even though they only move few centimeters a year, over millions of years, these movements create mountains, ocean basins, and earthquakes. When plates move, they interact at a place called plate boundaries. There are three major types of plate boundaries. First, convergent boundaries. Plates here move towards each other. This can cause mountains to rise or volcanoes to form if one plate goes underneath the other. We call this process as subduction. The second type of plate boundary is a divergent boundary. Plates here move apart. This happens mostly under the oceans and forms mid-ocean ridges where magma rises to create new crust. The third one is a transform fault boundaries. Plates here slide past each other. The friction causes earthquake, like what happens along the San Andreas Fault in California. Let's look at some real-world example that happens along plate boundaries. The Himalayan mountain range formed from the collision of Indian plate and Eurasian plate. It is because this too is along a convergent plate boundary. Second, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a giant underwater mountain range caused by plate moving apart or along a divergent plate boundary. The San Andreas Fault is where the Pacific Plate and North American Plate grind past each other. This causes frequent earthquakes. This is happening because they are along a transform fault boundary. So there you have it. Tectonic plates are like giant puzzle pieces moving slowly but powerfully. They shape our world by creating earthquakes, volcanoes, mountains, and new landforms. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Keep exploring and stay curious.